What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. So today we're in the Subaru. We're doing some errands. Not just any errands though. We're picking up the new wheel, the powder coated wheels, and I've got some tires in the back. I don't know if you can see them or not. They're making a lot of noise back there. But right now we are headed to the tire shop to drop off the tires. And then we gotta go get the wheels because I can't fit both the wheels and the tires in this car. Should have bought a truck, don't care. All right, so dropping off the tires now. Shout out to Ray. His car is not here right now, but I will show it to you guys sometime. It's a 350Z, it's pretty sick. But he's gonna be doing the install for me. So we got these tires. They are a 255, 35, 20. They're gonna be a nice, kind of like not too aggressive stretch on the 10-inch wide wheels that are going on the car. So we made it back to the tire shop. We got the wheels. So I'm gonna leave them here for the rest of the day. Unfortunately, I have to go to work, but hopefully after work I come back, these are all mounted, ready to go, and then I will reveal them to you guys on the car, aired out by my house. So, see you then. So this is gonna be the last time these wheels are on the car for a little while, especially since we have the two shows tomorrow and Sunday. So let's get started on the install of the wheels. They're right here. I can't show you guys just yet. I'm super stoked. Basically, gonna get them on the car, get the car aired out, and then I can show them to you guys. And then Alex and Steven and everyone's gonna come by. We're gonna be washing cars here, getting ready for the show tomorrow. And we'll get their reaction on what they think of the new setup.
No,
all right.
I'm not ready.
No, let me know what you think.
I can tell right now I'm not ready.
No, let me know. No, let me know.
Oh.
It's like bad,
Dude,
bro.
that looks so clean.
So I'm currently in the process of restoring the carbon lip. It was starting to fade, so we're using the medium cut compound, and we're gonna polish it, and then we're gonna seal it. Hopefully it looks a lot better for the show this weekend. All right, so I have my buddy Edgar in the car right now. We got the new wheels on. He's about to air out for us and give us a good show of what the wheels look like. Oh, I can't wait to show you guys. It's so sick. All right. So here is the car at the ride height. Edgar, why don't you air out? Oh my gosh. Looks so crazy. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's just insane. I am so stoked right now. So it is the next day. Last night we got the car fully set up, all washed and detailed and ready to go for this weekend. I've got the car all dialed in with the alignment. We had to make some adjustments on the toe, on the rear, just because it was a little angled when I aired out, so we had to fix that. But I'm gonna get Steven's reaction on what he thinks it looks like. All right, so let me know what you think. No, just ride height. It's kind of bright. It's like kind of fucked up.
Whoa. Hashtag way better.
Way better.
Okay, so I found a really cool angle for my stance setup. So I pointed the mirror all the way down so that I can watch the wheel go up and down in the driver's side mirror. I don't know, I'm probably the only person that does this, but it's so entertaining just to watch the suspension travel. So cool. So I'm still missing my Audi emblem. I might have to steal it from Chris over here. But we finally made it to 034, so let's walk around, check out the shop. Look who's rolling in. All right, so we are in line to get into Wekfest right now with the booth that I'm going in with. So there are hundreds of cars right now in line trying to get in. I don't know if you can see, there's just a line of cars that way. We got a couple Ferraris in front of us, and It's probably gonna be like a couple hours before we get in there and stage all the cars and stuff like that. And then once I get in there, I think that's when I'm gonna do a full little edit of the car with the new wheels on. Alex, are you not filming?
I am. Andreas
Where's your camera at?
Andreas is in there vlogging, 100%.
There's Alex's car.
Andreas is actually
So we're basically just rolling in right now. I'm with 3 Ferraris. This doesn't feel right, but at least we're in it. So basically just rolling in now. It's gonna be a few hours of this, and then I'll be able to shoot all the cars kind of. All right, so what do you think? I finally did it.
I think you have like some shit on your window. No, wheels look good.
Wheels
The
look good?
No, I appreciate it. I do appreciate it.
So here they are.
I need a towel.
Here's my detailer for the weekend.
I need a towel for it.
So the car is all cleaned and ready for tomorrow. So I think that's going to conclude today here at Wekfest. I don't want to spoil any of the cars for any of you watching. So I look forward to seeing all of you tomorrow. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next one.